My dear brothers and sisters, science of worship, let us understand this. Science of worship is unique quality of Hindu Sanatana Dharma. But until and unless you uplift your level of consciousness a little bit high, it becomes difficult to understand it. So let us try to understand. Who are uplifted, they will understand immediately. The science of worship of God of Hinduism. The nature of God of Hinduism is absolutely one with the nature of Satchidanandam, that is infinite power, infinite intelligence, and bliss consciousness. The God of Hinduism is described formless and attributeless. Nirgun Nirakar, as the Vedas describe, he is a full and divine light. Sagun Nirakar, as the Upanishads describe, he is astoundingly beautiful, powerful, all-knowing form. Sagun Sakar, as the Puranas describe. Just as air is formless but combines in H2O, turns into water, certain degree of cold and water freezes into ice. Now ice has forms, so many shapes, colors and many different hues. So also remaining formless, divine light, Bhagavan appears as Bhagavan Shankar, Bhagavan Ram, Bhagavan Krishna, Bhagavan Bhagavati Mahamaya Edam Dharate Jagat. Although appears as a human, but his form is not made of blood, bones and skin, but is pure transcendental. His form is composed of intermediate atoms of pure consciousness. The same consciousness is invoked and requested to stay in the deity in the temples during Pranapratishta ceremony. As much as the life of performers of Pranapratishta and the visiting devotees are according to the Hindu Shastras, performance is according to Hindu Shastras, and makers of items used in the ceremony are according to Hindu Shastras. So much the power of Almighty God touches the soul of every being, and every deity and every visitor who come to visit the temple according to the rules said by Hindu Shastras. Okay? Into that extent, the temple is charged with electricity of divinity and is transmitted continuously to every visitor. It has nothing to do with wealth or followers or beauty or only with exactly following the Hindu Shastras. It all depends on that. Since time immemorial, our country was known as Aryavarta Bharatvarsh, populated by the Hindus, and the science of worship was well understood by all, and nation was rich and prosperous among all the nations of the world. That is why in every country, when you dig the earth, so then you find Shivalinga, some temple in Egypt, 28,000 years old, in Medina in Arabia, 5,000 years old, deities are recovered, in Ukraine, in UK, in America, they are everywhere. The temples are buried, deities are buried, that means whole world followed. They knew the science of worship. So my dear friends, if we are inaugurating a huge Ram temple in Ayodhya and Pranapratishta is going on, this is the science behind it. So therefore, go to Ayodhya, visit Sri Ram temple, but according to Hindu Shastras.